Hello everyone. Myself Mrs. Dipali Jori from Kekewa Polytechnic, Nasik. Today in this video we will discuss about the one application of derivatives from the subject Applied Mathematics. Before going further, let's first see what are the learning outcomes of this topic. After watching and listening this video, learner will be able to find first equation of tangent to the curve and second equation of normal to the curve. So let's start with the topic applications of derivatives. From various applications of derivatives, let's today in this video discuss about the finding equation of tangent and normal. Before that, again we will need some base prerequisite formulae. See in this figure, if the curve y equal to fx is given, any type of curve it is, and the line touches that curve at a single point P, then that straight line is called tangent. And a line which is perpendicular to the tangent and also passing through the same point P, then that straight line is called as normal. So to find equations of tangent and normal, we first have to know how to find slope of tangent. So if the equation of curve is given, if it is in the form y equal to fx, then by differentiating that curve once only, you will get dy by dx there, the first order derivative. And the first order derivative dy by dx itself means the slope of tangent. So differentiate that given curve first of all, find out the value of slope of tangent. Then to find equation of normal, we'll need slope of normal. So the slope of normal will be simply equal to minus 1 upon the slope of tangent, because normal is perpendicular to tangent. If the two lines are perpendicular to each other, the multiplication of their slopes is equal to minus 1. By that rule, slope of normal can be easily get by using the formula minus 1 upon m. M is the slope of tangent, or it is simply equal to minus 1 upon dy by dx. The third important point we have to remember that if the tangent, that tangent line is parallel to x-axis, then the slope is 0. Now here I will take a reflection spot. Reflection spot means I'll ask you one question. You have to think about that for few seconds. So the question is here, from coordinate geometry, what is that slope point form to find equation of straight line? You think about this question for a few seconds. Try to write answer on your paper, and after that I'll give you the answer. Hope you all have written that answer. The slope point form from coordinate geometry to find equation of straight line. Let's see what is that slope point form. See, we can find equation of tangent by using slope point form. Only one form we will need to find equation of tangent from coordinate geometry topic. The form is y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. This is that slope point form. So use that same formula here, where your m will be replaced by dy by dx, the slope of tangent. x1, y1 is the point P, the point of intersection of tangent and normal to that curve. Similarly, the equation of normal by using that same slope point form can be obtained by using the slope point form as y minus y1 is now equal to minus 1 upon m. Why this slope you have to consider? Because it's a slope of normal and we have to find equation of normal here. Or you can use minus 1 upon dy by dx also. So for finding equation of normal, your formula will be y minus y1 equal to minus 1 upon m x into x minus x1. Let's see an example. See, if the question is to find equation of tangent and normal, both the equations are asked to find to the curve y equal to 9x square minus 12x plus 7 at the point 1 comma minus 2. The equation of curve is already given. The point of intersection is also given. So let's see how to find that equation. Let's first try to get equation of tangent. See, the curve is y equal to 9x square minus 12x plus 7. It is already in y equal to fx form. Explicit type it is. The first step is to differentiate that function with respect to x, means to find dy by dx there. So let us find out the dy by dx. It's an algebraic function, so very simple to differentiate. 9x square, the derivative will be 9 into 2x, hence it is 18x. Minus 12x, the derivative will be 12. X derivative is 1. 7 is a single constant, so its derivative is 0. Hence the dy by dx value is 18x minus 12. And therefore we can write that dy by dx as slope of tangent, which is equal to 18x minus 12. Now it is given that the tangent is passing through that point 1 comma minus 2, tangent and normal both. So the point is 1 comma minus 2. So now we have to find out that slope of tangent at that point. The point is already given. The tangent is passing through this point also. So this point must also satisfy that equation of tangent. Means we can substitute that point in the slope of tangent. Okay, sorry, the slope of tangent. So what is that slope at that point? It is 18 into x, x is 1, minus 12 as it is. There is no y in your dy by dx. So y we are not going to substitute. So the value is 6. 6 is the slope of tangent, is the value of m. Okay, so m is 6. Similarly, what is the slope of normal then? At that same point, it is simply equal to minus 1 upon m. Means it is minus 1 by 6. Okay, so both the slopes are obtained now, slope of tangent and normal. Point is already given. Let us first denote that point by x1, y1. This way. You first have to denote it. Then what is the equation of tangent by using slope point form? Do first write slope point form, the formula there, y minus y1 equal to m into x minus x1. And substitute just the values there. y1 is minus 2. x1 is 1, the point. Okay. Slope is 6. Simplify it and write into standard form. So the standard form is first term should be x, second term y, constant equal to 0. This way, in this form, we generally write an equation of straight line. So 6x minus y minus 6 minus 2, it will be minus 8 equal to 0 is the required equation of tangent. Similarly, the equation of normal at that same point using slope point form will be, now for normal equation, you just have to change this slope. It will be minus 1 upon m. And hence it is y minus, again y1 is minus 2, x1 is 1. Slope is minus 1 by 6. Simplified further by doing cross multiplication, etc. 6y plus 6 to z 12. 6 get cross multiplied with left hand side. Minus x plus 1. Or it is x get shifted into left hand side because it is negative in RHS. So x plus 6y 12 minus 1 is plus 11 equal to 0 is the required equation of normal. So this way we can easily find out the equations of tangent and normal. Thank you.